Welcome to the PWR Steer video series. I'm Mike, Program Director at PWR Steer. Today we're going to talk about the features and benefits of our 100% new rack and pinion systems and our innovative packaging.
Yeah, Mike, it looks like we're going to need to replace the rack.
We are. Okay, while Ray's removing the rack, I'm going to get a PWR Steer rack and show you guys what it's all about. This is our new PWR Steer rack. I've tilted the box on this card to show everyone how well this unit is packaged. When you open the box, you'll find a piece of high density foam and a piece of low density foam, preventing the rack from walking back and forth in the box. You'll find a list of to-dos to make sure no steps are forgotten in the process of installation. And the instructions will come in triplicate language, English, French, and Spanish, including the seals to get the job done. All of our units come in a bag. I've removed the bag for ease of explanation. The reason we put them in a bag is because they're all tested 100%. There's residual fluid in here, and we don't want the fluid escaping all over the box. Now, a common failure is that the tie rod end will poke through the end of the box and damage the threads. In this case, we have 1 inch of high density foam all the way around the rack and a tie rod end cover to make sure this does not happen. We also include the jam nuts. We also have a pinion cover protecting the splines on the shaft. We always use screw-in plugs, again, to prevent the fluid from escaping the rack. We press in the bushings, and in this case, we've also included the bracket and the rubber to make sure the installation goes smoothly. Most competitors do not include this bracket. Let's recap the features and benefits of our new rack and pinions. The mounting bushings are included and often pre-installed. We use the correct OE boots and clamps. There are no over consolidations of turn ratios. New transfer tubes and fittings are used, and new tie rod ends to the latest specification. In some cases, installation brackets are also included. All of our parts are engineered in Memphis, Tennessee, and meet or exceed OE specifications. This is a PWR Steer rack, 100% new, 100% tested, engineered in Memphis, Tennessee. Thanks for watching.